Hello. Hi everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Hi. I will just wait for some more people to join in so that we can start the live today. Hi. This is Dr. Swarnali Sasmal from Siliguri, West Bengal, and I'm a consultant dermatologist and aesthetic surgeon practicing in Anandalok Hospital, Siliguri at present. Today I'm going to talk about hair care during COVID mainly. So anybody who's wanting to ask anybody on hair care may write in the comment section below, and I will surely try to answer them all in between the live. Hi everyone. Hi. Okay, so shall I start? Okay. Hi. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about hair care mainly. So, hi. So, as much as we take care of the skin, we must also take care of the hair. So, hair also needs equal attention for sure. So, a lot of us we tend to neglect our hair in a lot of times, especially during this monsoon rainy season. So definitely we need to do some sort of hair care at home also, apart from any medical attention which you need. So I'll just talk about the hair care which we can do at home. Okay, so basically how to keep your hair healthy. Okay, so hair tends to get very dry and frizzy during this monsoon and summer season, so we tend to neglect our hair a lot. So in that case, to keep your frizz in control, we might just want to do some sort of hair care remedy, home remedy at home also, apart from any sort of medical treatment as well. So how can we keep our hair healthy? uh, we should definitely incorporate healthy food in our diet to keep to have healthy hair, because managing your hair, healthy hair, keeping a healthy hair at home is very important. So how can we do that? um, the first thing I would definitely say, have a very good healthy diet. Incorporate nuts in your diet, green leafy vegetables, have a lot of water, 3 to 4 liters of water every day without any fail. Apart from that, have some sort of calcium, like milk if you are lactose tolerant. If you're lactose intolerant, or if you're somebody who's having who has more of acne and acne prone skin, I would suggest you to stay away from dairy milk. So you can definitely try and have milk which is dairy free, which is gluten free, like almond or soy milk, almond or walnut milk. These days is very easily available, but then have some sort of milk or calcium, it's required. Okay, apart from the diet, I would say exercising leads to great hair and skin. I've always said that in all my sessions. Do that. Hi, thank you so much. Okay, you can definitely drop in your questions in the comment section below, to so that I can answer them regarding hair care. Today I'm talking on hair care, so you can do that. Okay, the next is brushing your hair. Okay, so definitely you need to brush your hair again and again to keep it tangle free, to keep it frizz free. There are very few tips on brushing your hair post washing and also in the shower, which I would like to tell you. Always try and wash your hair in the opposite direction. Flip your hair and then wash your hair. That leads to less tangling of the hair. And when you use the conditioner, make sure you're using the conditioner on definitely wet hair, and when you're using the conditioner, not to flip your hair at that time, and combing your hair while the conditioner is still on your hair. Okay, so do that really helps a lot. Apart from that, keep the conditioner for around 5 to 10 minutes. That helps a lot. Let the conditioner soak in, and then you wash off your hair, but do not flip your hair and wash. While shampooing or while applying the shampoo, you then flip your hair, but otherwise do not flip your hair after applying the conditioner. So in that case it gets tangled again. Okay, brush your hair, but let it dry a little, and only then you brush your hair. Do not brush your hair which is completely wet. Yeah, hi. Okay, now coming to washing your hair. When you're washing your hair, I told you how you should wash it. Apart from that, use shampoos and conditioners which are sulfate free and paraben free. That really helps. It helps in keeping the frizz and the tangle in check. So use a sulfate and paraben free shampoo. A lot of my patients, they ask me, I did a lot of chemical treatments, and because of which I'm getting hair fall. So let me tell you, chemical treatments, it does not cause hair fall from the roots. It will definitely cause hair breakage. There will be damage in the long run, but it won't cause hair fall from the roots. So you just need to keep that in mind. Also, you can try out a lot of home remedies for hair to keep the frizz and tangle in check. Like you can use ripe bananas, you can use coconut milk or fenugreek fenugreek paste, which helps a lot in keeping the tangle in check, keeping the hair breakage in check. So you can do that. Okay, I have a question, I think. Yeah, what is the best hair growth serum without minoxidil for males? Okay. There are a lot of hair growth serums for males. Unfortunately, I don't think I'll be taking brand names today. So you can DM me. I'll definitely suggest you something, hair serum without minoxidil, right? Yeah. So I'll do that. You can DM me. Good evening. Hi everyone. Whoever's joining, thanking you all for joining in today. It means a lot. Yeah. Coming to oiling your hair, I would suggest you not to oil your hair, because oiling leads to a lot of dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis as we call it. So, and that leads to hair fall. So, and especially if you have oily scalp, if you have very like oily scalp throughout the year, so you should definitely stay away from oil. Oil won't help you grow your hair or stop your hair fall, so be rest assured with that. So you can avoid oil, just massage your hair during the shampoo. That's more than enough, that's what I feel. And if at all you feel you're very, some people use oiling, do a lot of oil massage uh, for relieving stress, so you can try out that, but just do that just half an hour or an hour before washing your hair, shampooing your hair. Yes, before shampooing you can use oil, but don't keep it for very long, maybe an hour to the max, and then you can shampoo your hair. Conditioner, how it goes. Conditioners help in keeping your hair smooth and tangle free, so you must use a conditioner every time you wash your hair. Some people ask me, is it necessary to use conditioner? Yes, it's very necessary to use a conditioner. Condition your hair every time you wash your hair. Henna, yes, I would say henna is not really advisable for your hair. It causes a lot of damage, but especially the henna which you get in the market, which has a lot of preservatives, so I would suggest you not use any henna. And as far as hair color is concerned, you may use hair color which is ammonia free and PPD free. That's very important. Okay, also I would suggest don't always try and tie up your hair in a very tight knot. That leads to a lot of hair breakage. So if at all you're using you're tying up your hair, do that, but very loosely, and while sleeping try and keep your hair tied if possible. That leads to less of breakage. Hi. See, okay, since we're not talking about acne though today, but acne on the chin area is mainly hormonal. So you definitely need to check your hormones. You may DM me or WhatsApp me in case you have my number. I can tell you what all the tests you need to do. We need to definitely have a detailed consultation on this. But chin area acne is definitely hormonal, so keep that in mind. Can I apply conditioner on my child's? Of course you can use conditioner on your child's hair, but conditioner is not for the hair roots or the scalp, it's for the hair ends. You need to apply it in the ends, so keep that in mind. And if at all for hair, if you're having hair fall like over a prolonged period of time, for years or for months, and if it's more than 100 strands, you definitely need to check on your blood parameters, on your hormones, and there are a few tests which we need to do, like the hemoglobin, we need to do serum ferritin, prolactin, so these cause hair fall, so keep that in mind. You might just want to do a complete workup in case of hair fall. Hair fall just doesn't decrease with supplements or with just hair products, hair care like hair oil or serums. It will just not work with that. You need to definitely see what's wrong inside. Hair fall is completely internal. Yes, methi is helpful for hair, but these are all for hair breakage, so yeah. Conditioner doesn't help in reducing hair fall, if at all you think so. Conditioner is not at all for controlling hair fall. It's for controlling the frizz, to help to keep your hair detangled, so to keep your hair smooth. So conditioner is for that. Hi. And you may definitely shampoo your hair, condition your hair every day if at all you think, especially during this summer and monsoon season. If you think that you need um, hair wash every day, definitely do that. Don't keep your hair sweaty and oily at all. It doesn't help. It causes more breakage. So if you feel that you need to wash your hair every day, you may do that, but just make sure your shampoo is sulfate free and paraben free along with the conditioner. You can just blend in some methi and make it a paste along with curd, works. Or you can also use with coconut milk. But these are all hair masks which you must do it once a week, not more than that. Yes, you may do hair like chemical treatments, try and avoid it, but if at all you're doing, use the color which is ammonia and PPD free. And if you think that you need if you want to stay away from shampooing every day, you think it's a task, you can use dry shampoos. These days dry shampoos are very handy, so you may use that for the scalp. It really helps in keeping the hair less oily and less sticky for sure. It's definitely a good alternative if you feel that you don't have the time to wash your hair. Try and avoid doing crash diets also. A good healthy nutritious diet is also important. Stress free, stay stress free for causing it causes less hair fall. So try and be as less try and have as less stress as possible. I know it's very difficult in these days, but try and avoid stress. And exercise and a very good diet containing nuts and a balanced, very well balanced diet. So don't do crash diets. Hi. So all these things help a lot in causing like less hair fall. You must use a very all these lifestyle factors, all these things all together cause less hair fall. So yes, and along with that, if at all you think that you are having a very diffuse hair loss, you may definitely go for you may definitely consult a dermatologist to examine you well. This also needs to be differentiated. If you're having a focal hair loss, which is alopecia areata, or if you're having a diffuse hair loss, if you have hair loss due to genetic, which is androgenetic alopecia, that also you need to keep in mind. So if you feel that all these you're having all these issues, you may definitely consult a dermatologist. Yes, there are treatments for gray hair. There are oral tablets. Also, there are topical treatments for gray hair, for premature graying hair. But if you're aging and if you're having gray hair at a later age, you might want to just use a good color which is ammonia free and PPD free. So yeah, good evening. Yes, definitely, there's no problem if you want to wash your hair and every day. In the summers it's okay if you want to wash your hair every day, because if you don't, these days there's so much of sweating and there's so much of dirt. So the sweat and dirt together accumulates, and that causes more of breakage. So you may definitely wash your hair every day, but just make sure that your shampoo is paraben free and sulfate free. Yes, you might just want to dry up your hair like around 50%, 50 to 60%, and then comb your hair. That will help, yeah. And don't use towels or anything which is a little harsh or coarse. Use the cotton and smooth, like a cloth or something to dry your hair. Don't rub your hair while drying it. Just let the water soak in. So yeah, sunscreen is very important no matter what day it is, whether it's sunny or cloudy, whether you're outdoors or indoors. Sunscreen is the most important thing. There's no alternative to sunscreen, and there is no way out at all. So there's how much ever skincare you do, how much ever skin treatments you do, it's of no use unless you use a sunscreen. I say this always in all my live sessions and all my consultations. So yeah, sunscreen is very important. Hi everyone. I'll just see for 5 more minutes. So just send in your questions if at all you have regarding hair care. I will answer them all, and if any detailed consultation you need, you may DM me or you may WhatsApp me. I will definitely get back to you. This live will be saved on my page and Skin and Hair Facts page. You may watch it again. It will be saved. I'll share it on my page as well. You may again watch it from the beginning. And any more questions, if anybody has skin, hair, nail related, you may DM me, you may WhatsApp me on my given number. It's there on my page also. I will get back to you for sure. Today I spoke on hair care mainly. Yeah. Okay. I think somebody asked me about minoxidil. I'll quickly mention a little about minoxidil. Minoxidil is like the only FDA approved topical application medicine for hair growth, as we know. So also we need to keep in mind that minoxidil does cause initial hair fall. So there's nothing to worry about that. That's just called telogen effluvium. That's the hair which is supposed to fall anyway. So you don't need to worry. When you're prescribed minoxidil, make sure you use it for 4 to 6 months at least, and then revert back to your doctor, follow up with your doctor, because initially minoxidil does cause hair fall. So there's nothing to worry about that. You know, you're using minoxidil and you're having a lot of hair fall. Don't worry about that. It's normal. Okay. Oiling, I wouldn't suggest oiling a lot. You may oil your hair just 1 hour before you shampoo. That's all, not more than that. And condition your hair after every time you wash your hair with shampoo. And also you may use the leave-in serums you get in the market these days. Invest in a good branded hair serum which takes care of the dryness and the frizziness in the hair ends mainly. Yes, vermilion is harmful for more than the hair follicles. It's more harmful for the skin. So maybe use something which causes less, which doesn't cause any sort of dermatitis or something. Sumit, I might just want to see the skin. It might be a lot of things. Maybe a bacterial, fungal infection, or contact dermatitis. So just DM me if you want. I need to see that. Okay, so that's all for today. I think I'll end it right here. Any more questions you have, you may DM me or WhatsApp me on my number. It's there on my page. I will definitely get back to you with a solution. So, and if at all you need a consultation, you may consult me as well. I am doing online consultations. Yeah, so that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining in, everyone, and whoever sending the questions. Thank you, all of you. I'll end it today. Bye bye, take care, and stay home as much as possible. Bye.